In this video, I'll show you how to link Robinhood to Cash App. It's a really simple process, and once you know how, it only takes a few minutes to get both accounts connected. To start, if you want to link your Robinhood debit card to Cash App, open your Robinhood app first. At the bottom of your screen, tap on the card section, and here you'll see all the details of your Robinhood debit card. If you haven't applied for a card yet, don't worry. You can tap the Join Waitlist button and get approved quickly. Once you have your Robinhood card ready, switch over to Cash App. Tap on your profile icon in the top corner, then select the Link Banks option. On the next screen, choose the option to link a debit or credit card. Here, you'll need to enter your Robinhood card number, expiration date, CVV, and the zip code associated with the card. Once you've filled in all the details correctly, tap Link Card, and your Robinhood card will be connected to Cash App. After your card is linked, you can easily add money from Robinhood to Cash App. Go back to the Cash App homepage and tap Add Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and make sure you select your Robinhood debit card as the payment method. In just a few moments, your money will move from Robinhood to your Cash App balance, ready to use however you want. You can also do the reverse and link your Cash App card to Robinhood. Start by opening the Robinhood app and tapping on your profile icon. Then tap the three-line menu at the top, select Transfers, and scroll down to the Link Accounts section. Tap Add Account, then choose Debit Card, and enter your Cash App card number, expiration date, and CVV. Tap Continue, and your Cash App card will be linked to Robinhood. Once your Cash App card is added, you can go back to the transfer page in Robinhood. From there, tap Transfer Money and select your Cash App card to add funds. This makes it easy to move money back and forth whenever you need, giving you full control over your funds. And that's it. Linking Robinhood to Cash App is quick, simple, and makes managing your money so much easier.